KODAK PIXPRO AZ405 WH2OMP digital camera 40x optical zoom 24mm, wide angle lens optical image stabilization 1080p full HD video 3 inches LCD vlogging camera, full frame, compatible mountings pike, aspect ratio 1.50 to 1, 16:9 4:3, photosensor technology BSI CMOS, supported file format JPEG, image stabilization optical. Maximum focal length 170 millimeters. Optical zoom 40x. Maximum aperture 3f. Expanded ISO minimum 80. Brand Kodak. 40x optical zoom, minus 24 millimeters wide angle lens. 20 megapixel CMOS sensor. 1080p full HD video. Vlogging camera. SD card compatibility. At least class 10. No more than 512 gigabytes SD. SDHC. SDXC. 3 LCD screen, optical image stabilization OIS, AA batteries, optical zoom. Getting close, let the powerful 40x optical zoom lens get you the shot you need. If you're not feeling brave enough to get up close and personal, nobody needs to know. Just stand back and admire while zooming in and expect clear, crisp results with the KODAK PIXPRO AZ405. It'll look like you were right there. 20 megapixels. All the details. You'll get well-defined, detailed images thanks to the AZ405's 20 million pixels. That's ample resolution to crop, zoom, or enlarge your photos however the photographer and you desires. 3-inch LCD screen. A full view. You know what you want out of a picture, and your camera should make sure that you're able to get it. Whether you're in the moment or modifying your work at a later time, the bright, 3-inch LCD screen ensures that you end up with just what you're looking for. Optical image stabilization OIS. No bumps in the road. Don't fret if you're on uneven ground or rough waters. The optical image stabilization will iron out any small movements as you're focused on getting your shot, so you never have to be afraid to go for what you want. Your camera can handle it, just make sure you can. 24mm wide angle. 24mm wide angle. Make all the room. You don't do anything halfway, so why should your camera? With a 24mm wide-angle lens, there's no sacrificing what you want in the frame. So go ahead and let your camera see what you see. The sky's the limit. 1080p full HD video. 1080p full HD video. Full HD defined. Sometimes it can seem like things are moving a little too fast for you to get the perfect picture. That's totally okay. The AZ405 has your back. You can rely on full HD video with 1080p resolution for the quality you need. Why settle for anything less? Product information. Display. Display fixture type fixed. Has color screen, yes. Display type LCD. Dots per screen for 160,000 dot. Screen size 3 inches. Lens details. Digital zoom for X. Zoom optical zoom. Camera lens 24mm. Minimum focal length for 0.3 millimeters. Maximum focal length 170 millimeters. Optical zoom 40x. Lens type telephoto. Camera modes. Image capture type stills and video. Movie mode, yes. Night vision, no. Digital scene transition zoom. Digital still, yes. Shooting modes easy. Panorama. Automatic. Camera settings. Self-timer 10 seconds. White balance settings auto, daylight, cloudy. Exposure control aperture priority, auto, manual, program, shutter priority. Additional details. Item dimensions DX/WX/H 3.3 DX for 0.5 WX 3.2 H. Shutter type focal plane shutter. Audio recording, no. Is electric, no. Number of batteries 1 lithium-ion batteries required, included. Has image stabilization, yes. Continuous shooting 30 FPS. Video capture format MP4. Expanded ISO maximum 3200. Battery weight 50 grams. Battery cell type alkaline. Battery type alkaline. Frame rate 30 FPS. Compatible mountings pike. Sensor type BSI CMOS. Image stabilization optical. Maximum aperture 3f. Expanded ISO minimum 80. Photosensor resolution 20 MP. Photosensor size 1, 2.3 inch. Maximum shutter speed 1 to 1000 seconds. Minimum shutter speed 30 seconds. Form factor compact. Special feature image stabilization. Color white. Item weight 15.37 ounces. Video resolution 1080p. Viewfinder optical. Flash modes auto. Fill in, off. Red eye reduction. Slow sync. Red eye reduction. Skill level novice. Product description. Passion and performance go hand in hand with our KODAK PIXPRO AZ405 digital camera from the Astro Zoom collection. A 40x ultra-long zoom lens with optical image stabilization delivers crisp, clear 20-megapixel close-ups, panorama or HD videos. Auto scene, object tracking, post-editing features, and a host of powerful yet user-friendly settings make photography easy, fun, and zero hassle. KODAK PIXPRO digital camera. Tell your story. The KODAK PIXPRO AZ405WH is a powerful and affordable point-and-shoot camera with the following key features. Specifications. Resolution, 20 megapixels MP for high-quality images. Optical zoom, 40x, allowing for close-up shots even from a distance. Lens, 24mm wide-angle lens, ideal for capturing landscapes, group photos, and wide scenes. Optical image stabilization, reduces blur from camera shake for sharper images. Video recording, 1080p Full HD, perfect for vlogging and video content creation. LCD screen, 3-inch display for easy viewing and reviewing of photos and videos. ISO range, 80 to 3200 for flexible low-light shooting. Continuous shooting, up to 6 frames per second FPS. Macro mode, focus on subjects as close as 1 centimeter, great for detailed close-ups. Panorama mode, capture wide scenic shots with ease. Face detection, automatically focuses on faces, ensuring sharper portraits. Weight, lightweight, making it easy to carry for travel and vlogging. Battery, rechargeable lithium-ion battery with long-lasting power. Additional features. Full frame, provides a wider field of view for better overall image quality. Smart capture technology, adjusts settings for optimal lighting and exposure automatically. Connectivity, micro USB for file transfers and charging. Color, white, offering a stylish and modern look. This camera is great for beginners and vloggers who need an easy-to-use, all-in-one camera with advanced zoom and HD video capabilities. It's especially useful for travel photography, events, and everyday moments.